Welcome back to Trojan. Today we're covering trailing stop loss. It's a great way to protect your gains without having to babysit a chart. Here's the idea. A trailing stop loss is just another limit order stop loss. If you need help with that concept, maybe pause here and check out our limit orders video. You're all set with that? Okay. So it's a stop loss that can change as the token price changes. It moves up with the price, but never moves down. Set it, and it locks in a floor that rises as the token climbs. If the price reverses and hits that floor, Trojan sells automatically. Quick example. You set a trailing stop loss of minus 20% at a price of 100. Price climbs to 150, your stop is now 120. Price dips back to 125, stop stays at 120. Price keeps dropping and hits 120. Sold. You locked in your gains. Now, here's how to set it up. Send the sell command to see a list of your tokens. Select the one you want to sell. This will bring up the sell menu. From the sell menu, select limit. Enable trailing. Set your trailing stop loss percentage. Then hit create order. That's it. Your safety net is live, and it moves with you on the way up. Check, edit, or cancel anytime from the Limit Orders menu. That's trailing stop loss for you in Trojan.